To generate a tax report in Koinly, start by logging into your account and navigating to the Tax Reports section. Here you will find a list of available tax reports, including the standard tax report and other country-specific reports. Choose the tax report that applies to your location and click on it to begin the generation process. Koinly will then ask you to select the tax year you want to generate the report for. Select the correct tax year from the drop-down menu and click Next. Koinly will then prompt you to review your transactions to ensure accuracy. Review each transaction to ensure it is correctly categorized and that all relevant information is included. You can edit transactions as needed to ensure accuracy. Once you have reviewed your transactions, Koinly will generate your tax report. The report will include your total gains and losses, as well as any tax liabilities. The report will also include a breakdown of your transactions by type, such as buys, sells, and trades. It is essential to review your tax report carefully to ensure accuracy and completeness. Check that all transactions are included and that the calculations are correct. If you find any errors, you can go back and edit your transactions as needed. Finally, you can download your tax report in a format suitable for submission to your tax authority. Koinly supports a range of formats, including CSV and PDF. You can also use the report to complete your tax return, either manually or using tax software. By following these steps, you can easily generate a tax report in Koinly and ensure you are meeting your tax obligations. Remember to always review your report carefully and seek professional advice if you are unsure about any aspect of the process.